We want to integrate log x with respect to x. At first sight, this doesn't appear to be of the form v du dx. However, we can use a mathematical trick in order to make it of this form. Quite simply, what we do is write it as the integral of 1 times the log of x with respect to x. We know that when we multiply anything by 1, it remains the same. So 1 times log x is log x. We always take the v to be log x if it's present. Therefore here we're going to take the v to be log x and the du dx to be 1. If log x is present, this is the one exception to taking a power of x as being the v. If we now differentiate, dv dx is 1 over x, and integrating 1 gives us x. We can now substitute into the formula, so the integral of log x with respect to x is uv, which is x times log x. Take away the integral of u dv dx, and if we multiply x and 1 over x, we just get 1. Therefore we get x log x, take away the integral of 1, which is x, plus a constant.